Imali wagcina esehamba ngesihlalo esinamasondo. UMax Kulati oneminyaka engama-33 waqala wazivocavoca waguqukela equkuleni izinsimbi. Manje usendleleni ebheke eSlovania emqhudelwaneni wamazwe omhlaba. UMax udinga usizo lwemali.
The feeling around this is quite disappointing. It's quite disappointing because I won't be just representing South Africa there. I'll be representing Africa because that's our international World Cup. And the government, even the councillors, I've knocked around some councillors. Fortunately, I have this team that is called Max 2022. They are the guys that are helping me. Even some of the guys that are training at Metro Gym and the guys from the community, there are a few guys who are helping me out.
Uhambo kanye nemali yalomcimbi ibalelwa izinkulungwaneni ezingama-50 zamarandi. Abe International Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation abaluthola uxhaso lwemali kuhulumeni ngenxa yokuthi lenhlangano ayihlangabezane nedingo ezifunekayo uma uzoxhaswa. Ngakho ke ngeke bekwazi ukumsiza uMax kulolu hambo.
It does not receive any funding from the government and relies solely on investors and sponsors. We ask investors and sponsors to help us promote the art of bodybuilding, especially in the rural areas. There are so many athletes with enormous talent, but they lack the funds.
Ngowezemidlalo uthi unazo izigidi zemali ezisuke zinikwe izinhlangano ezingama-60 ukuthi zikwazi ukwenza imisebenzi edingekayo.